Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and I have another one here for you. And that's, wow, 2 in 1 week. Well, I'm going to take this off. I got to take it off. There's some problems. Hey, there's my, I was wondering where that went. Huh, cool. And I got to take that off, so well, I might as well get at her. I got my long ratchet, and as I've deducted, there are wires broken somewhere up in here. Let me show you. I've gone through the dash and everything like crazy on here, and yeah, I have been through here like crazy, done so much in trying to find those wires. Why I don't have power to my heater blower motor, and well, I've come to a deduction. I gotta remove that. I gotta remove that anyways, because I broke 3 bolts off getting the heater motor out, and I might have to fix that. So I am gonna have to. Oh, that comes out easy. And I dropped that bolt. Bolt's on the ground now somewhere. I don't even know what that bracket was to. Well, let's not drop any more of these bolts. These things are precious. Or are they? Drop that one. And now the power steering does not work in this vehicle, so I'm not really worried about that, am I? I don't know why I use such a long extension. You know what? I'm going to get a shorter extension. I thought I needed a longer extension here, but I really don't. So an extension 1/3 the size will probably work. That ain't good. I sprayed these. That ain't good. Things that happen, right? Things that happen. Let's move over here a little. Let's see here. There we go. One more up here. There we go. Now, I've never had one of these off, so this is kind of cool. I've been in this vehicle for this long. I've never had one of these off, so it's kind of neat to see what might be in here. Yeah, that one on the bottom there is giving me trouble. So, I'm going to have to, well, I got to get this unhooked. Forgot all about that. Okay, I got to get some tools. Alright, I got her. But, you know, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Necessarily comes out of here. So there's all the wiring up there. Okay. Oh, the heater core. Huh. So, where's all this wiring come from? There's all sorts of junk in there, too. Oof, Okay, I think I have to get it. I have to unplug things here. Here, let me get you in on this side. You can take a good look in there. And that's what she looks like in there. So, let me get a light. It's getting a little darker out here. I'm doing this later. Okay, I got a light now. Let's see. Wow. Denso. Denso stuff. Neat. Okay. You know what? Let me unplug everything. Get it all out of the way so we can check the wiring up there. So there we go. I got her out. And I don't know. Anything broken up here? I'll have to test it all. That's the big one, the big blue one. I can test it up there. See if those are getting power. What's this blue one? Well, I know what these are. That's to the air conditioning that doesn't work, so that's useless. And yellow and blue. So what ones are those? Yellow and blue, white and white. And these ones, I think, are to my plug-in for yeah, those are my plug-ins to this thing right here. So now I'm gonna have to check these wires. And if it's not on here, something in there. And I don't want it to be in there, but it is what it'll be, right? I was thinking of taking out that, what is that, evaporator or whatever it's called there. I'm not sure. I might leave that, even though it looks damaged. The air conditioning hasn't worked on this for many years, so I'm pretty sure it ain't gonna work. But you know what? I can test up here. So I'm gonna give the battery power again, like that, and I'm gonna have my good old test light here. Ground, and I'm gonna test around here. Which one of these would do? I'll just put the heater motor on and I'll give her a test and see if anything's got power there. And then I'll know. So let me give her a try here. I got the heater fan on, and I don't know if any of this is going to give me any results here. Hopefully you can see something. Yeah, that's good. Nothing. What's wrong? Let me see if anything's got ground. Okay. Let's do the ground. Okay. Huh. But the other two don't have power. Nothing. Well, I really don't know anymore on what I'm doing here. I do not like to do electrical things, and this should have been a simple thing to get this fan motor working. It doesn't look like it's going to want to. Dang it. So that doesn't make me too happy. I don't know what else to do. I've checked the wires inside. Unless there's some other relay or something somewhere that I'm totally missing out on, I don't see a problem. The wires look fine. They don't look chewed up, nothing like that. I don't know what the problem is. And I don't think I'm going to find out anytime soon right now. This is starting to perplex me more than it should. Now I'm waking up thinking about this. And it's driving me crazy. I might just wire in the blower motor to come on. Pick up a separate switch and do that, because I just don't know. It's probably what I'm going to do. Some switch, wire it in, and get that blower motor working, because I don't know anything more about this. I checked wiring. Yeah, wiring's good. Stuff like that. So I just don't know. Alright, if anybody's got any ideas, thanks for commenting if you do have ideas. But I don't have any more ideas. So, well, thanks for watching.